Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to be showing you how you can create an account on Upwork as a freelancer so that you can start working online and making money. So start by heading over to upwork.com, and then from this main page right here, click on sign up and then choose I'm a freelancer looking for work and then apply as freelancer. And then on this step, they're going to be asking you to continue with Apple if you want, your Apple account or your Google account. You can also fill in your information manually, so your first and last name, also your email, password, and your location. Now you need to make sure that everything on here is accurate, and even your name written the same as in one of your documents, or your national ID or your driver's license, because everything will be verified and checked for your account's approval. Once you've selected all of your information, click on Create My Account. It will then take you to this page where you will have to accept the terms and conditions. You can also get helpful emails from Upwork, or you can turn the option off, it's not necessary, and then press on Create My Account. So press on Get Started from here, and then you can select your level of experience. Let's say that we're brand new to this. Then press Next. What's your biggest goal? So to earn my main income. How would you like to work? To find opportunities, myself. And then I'm open to contract hire. So filling in all of this information will help create your profile initially, and you can also edit all of that information later on, or if something changed. From here, you can import your information directly from LinkedIn. It's going to be asking you about your experience, your studies, and all of that stuff. You can simply upload your resume or enter all of the information above manually, but it's going to take a lot of time. So I very much recommend having a resume complete, and then you can just upload it and get going. And then it will say that your account has been successfully created, and then it will redirect you to this page. After filling in the most of your information, this is one of the important steps where you have to select your skills. So you have a maximum of 15 skills where you can add them, and then it will start picking up on the Upwork algorithm to show you specific jobs based on the skills that you have. So make sure that you get specific with these and choose the ones that you want to be working with. After that, your profile should be all set up. Press on Submit Profile, and that's it. You can view your profile or start browsing jobs. So on here, you can see that your account has been created. That is your title based on the job that you have chosen, and you have 50 available connects to start with. You can immediately start looking for jobs, you can search for them, or you can choose from the jobs proposed to you, and you can just use your free connects to apply to them. Once your connects are over, you can easily buy new ones. And that in short is how you can create a new account on Upwork and set your profile properly. I hope that this video was helpful. If it did, let us know in the comments. Please leave a like and subscribe for future videos.